Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to get into the Curling Canada streaming site today. So when you go to your web browser on your iPad or your computer, you can go to plus.curling.ca and then it's going to bring up this new streaming site. Now after this, you're going to have to subscribe the first time that you go in, so that's what we're going to do today. So you can see it's listed here about the upcoming U18 championships, and you can even see on the right that it says Alberta and the time. So we're going to go to subscribe here, and I'm going to sign up for an account. So you want to choose 2023 Canadian Under 18 Championships. So each championship is $10. So you want to make sure that you pick the U18, and then you're going to enter your information. Going to register, and then it'll prompt to enter your address and information. So we're going to enter our address, and I'm going to enter the visa, submit payment, and then you'll see that we'll be subscribed now for this event. Once this is finished, we're going to just finish up this process. So purchase was successful. So now it automatically has us logged in, and to double check if you're logged in, you can see now it says my account and log out. So now if we go back to the home page, whenever the game is live, I think that it will be shown here saying live event. You can also see that the games upcoming are listed here. So you can see that the girls are on Monday, February 6th. And when it is gone live, I think it will show there. So you just click on that, and it may prompt you to log in that time, or you can log in at the time.